Most people don't fail at YouTube because they're stupid. They fail because they misunderstand the game. They think it's about talent. They think it's about expensive cameras. They think it's about luck. It's not. And I know that because I failed for years before anything worked. I made over 20 channels. Most of them died. Some got views, then flatlined. And if I didn't figure this out, I would have quit like everyone else. So in this video, I'm breaking down why most people fail on YouTube and how to not be one of them. This is the biggest mistake. People treat YouTube like self-expression. They upload what they feel like making. But YouTube isn't about what you want to say. It's about what people want to watch. That sounds harsh, but it's the truth. When I first started, I'd post random ideas I thought were cool. Nobody cared. When I switched to celebrity content and focused on topics people were already searching for and talking about, everything changed. You don't start with creativity. You start with demand. Then you inject creativity into that demand. If nobody is interested in the topic, it doesn't matter how good your editing is. Views don't matter. Retention does. If people click and leave in 5 seconds, YouTube stops pushing you. Most creators talk too slow. Intro too long. No hook. No tension. No reason to stay. Every video needs a question that gets answered at the end. Curiosity gap. Open loop. Something that makes the viewer think, I need to know. When I started cutting every boring second out of my videos, my numbers changed instantly. Tighter edits. Faster pacing. No wasted words. If you can keep attention, the algorithm becomes predictable. This is the uncomfortable one. Most people quit before they get data. Not before success. Before data. Your first 10 videos? Practice. First 20? Still learning. First 50? Now you're starting to understand patterns. But people upload 6 videos, get 200 views, and decide YouTube doesn't work. No, your skill doesn't work yet. There's a difference. When I say I made 20 channels, I'm not exaggerating. I failed publicly and privately for years, but every failure showed me something. What thumbnails get ignored, what hooks don't work, what topics don't move. Failure is feedback. Most people interpret it as rejection. You do not need a $3,000 camera, a crazy studio, a team, a degree in editing. You need a clear niche, high-demand topics, strong hooks, consistency. That's it. I built pages around celebrity moments people were already discussing. I wasn't reinventing YouTube. I was studying it. Most people try to be unique too early. Uniqueness comes after competence. First, learn what works. Then add your personality. This is where most creators lose. They post. They hope. They pray. But they don't study. If you want to win on YouTube, you need to analyze. Why did this video go viral? Why did this thumbnail work? Why did people click? Where did viewers drop off? YouTube leaves clues everywhere. The algorithm isn't random. It rewards behavior patterns. When I stopped guessing and started studying, growth became predictable. Subscribers don't matter. Value per video matters. I've seen channels with 10K subs get millions of views, and channels with 200K subs get nothing. Every upload is judged independently. You're only as good as your last video. Once I understood that, I stopped chasing vanity metrics and focused on click-through rate, retention, topic demand. That's the real game. YouTube isn't luck. It's a skill stack. Writing, psychology, editing, packaging, trend awareness. And skills take time. Nobody goes to the gym once and expects abs. But people upload 3 videos and expect a career. That mindset kills more channels than the algorithm ever will. If you're failing right now, that doesn't mean you're bad. It means you're early. But you need to ask yourself, are you studying? Are you improving? Are you adjusting? Or are you just uploading and hoping? Because hope is not a strategy. YouTube isn't saturated. It's competitive. And competition eliminates the lazy, not the consistent. If you're serious about building something here, subscribe. I'm documenting everything I'm learning in real time, and I'm just getting started. The reason I was able to make over $153,000 at 19 wasn't because I'm special. It's because I failed long enough to understand the system. Most people only see the outcome. They don't see the years of low views, the deleted channels, the late nights editing for nobody. YouTube rewards the people who outlast their own frustration. See you in the next one.